ain't the time to be playing. You know it's a tornado going on.
I know. Oh, what it is, show? Oh, what's up? You guys, it has been a minute since I came out with a prank video, so I decided to come through for you guys. Whatever. Okay, so basically the weather is bad where I am right now, and as you guys heard, you just heard the tornado alert or whatever on my phone, and I decided that this would be a good time to pull a prank. I'm going to pull the siren up. I have the siren up on the TV, and I'm going to tell my sister that, you know, it's a tornado outside, but we're not going anywhere. We're just gonna stay here. Blase, blase, her edge. Y'all, now I'm talking low because she's in the other room across the way, but you guys, tornadoes are nothing to play with. You know, bad weather is not a joke, but what better time would it be for me to pull a prank? So that's what I'm gonna do right now, you guys, and yeah, we're gonna get her reaction. So I'm going to set up the camera and turn on the siren, get her reaction. So let's go. Oh yeah, and y'all don't talk about my bunny. My bunny cute or no? Y'all don't talk about my bunny. I better not see a comment about my bunny in the comment section down below. But yeah, let's go. We're about to go ahead and get started. Please be sure to give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. So let's go ahead and get started. Go. Go. You better get up because I ain't carrying you. I'm not playing.
Get me off the line.
Where you going nowhere?
I don't care. I'm graduating. I'm
You graduated?
Yeah. Shaniqua, what do you want?
Where you going?
Jay, you better wake your sister up. She up. She ain't up. She still.
You better going?
Shaniqua.
What?
You do to me.
Where you going?
Don't worry about where I'm going.
You can't leave these kids.
You can't leave them.
I ain't going nowhere.
Okay, they can stay here with you.
Where you going?
Sneakers up. Quit playing with me.
What you said?
Sneakers up playing with me.
Where you going?
Okay, let's go.
Kiki, where you going? Kiki, that's on the TV back there. That's on JTV. I thought you would have heard it when you went back there, fool. You was scared, sister. Look at her get up. You was scared, sister.
I wasn't scared. I'm running. She nigga don't do that like on that butt.
I got on a butt too. I thought you heard it when you got back there and you were so close to the room.
I did say it was all bad down.
Jay, go turn your game off. It's on YouTube. It's a siren thing. Go. No, I thought you would have saw her. Y'all, we got it, y'all. My sister was scared. She said that she had to get up and put on her jacket and get ready to go somewhere. Team Bunny. Y'all. If y'all enjoyed, please be sure to give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. You scared?
That ain't the time to be playing. You know it's a tornado going on.
I know, but you know, it was gonna make it more believable.
Yeah,
gotta make a joke out of before we run for our life. Y'all stay prayed up. Later.